Hey, so I just wanted to let you know that for a limited time, TikTok is currently running a special promotion where you can get up to $1,500 in free TikTok ad credit. So to get access to this promotion, what you need to do is click on the link below this video in the description or in the pinned comment. And when you go to this page at the bottom here, if you sign up for an account, and then if you spend $100, $500, or $1,500, you will then get the equivalent in TikTok ad credit. To qualify for this, you do need to be a new advertiser on TikTok, or you need to be an advertiser that hasn't advertised on TikTok in at least 90 days. And also, you need to spend this amount within 30 days of registering for a TikTok account. And if you'd like to learn more about how to use TikTok ads to generate leads and also sales appointments, I recommend registering for my free training at salesappointmentsmasterclass.com, as that will go through how you can do this step by step in a lot more detail. And in my experience from using TikTok ads for my own business and also for clients, when I've been testing TikTok ads against Facebook ads, I've found that in most cases, you can get better results on TikTok. And by better results, I mean a better cost per lead, a better cost per appointment, and a better ROI on your advertising spend. And for most of my clients, I'd say about 4 out of 5 clients, they've also experienced the same thing. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more as to why TikTok is getting better results for lots of business owners when compared to Facebook ads, then be sure to click on this video that you see on your screen right now, as it answers that question in a lot more detail. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.